Inflammation symptoms. So just briefly, inflammation is when your body responds to some sort of injury or an infection, something that it needs to clear away and fight so that your body can recover. Okay, so some common symptoms that you might find, some inflammation symptoms, could be redness, swelling, heat, pain, loss of function. Say if you've got it in your elbow and your elbow swells up, then you're not going to be able to move it as much because it's bigger and so it's more difficult. The redness and the heat, that might come if you've got more of an infection. For instance, if you've had surgery and you have inflammation, sometimes you might get redness, but sometimes you might just get the swelling because there's nothing that is particularly infected. So what we always tend to find is that you get the different symptoms. You don't necessarily have to have all of them. Now, in terms of inflammation, there are two types. We've got videos on this. There is acute, which is short term, and chronic, which is long term. So for example, if you have an injury, you twist your ankle, if you have surgery, that's going to be acute. If you have something more chronic, more longer term, something like endometriosis, an autoimmune condition, like rheumatoid arthritis, for instance, allergies, even hay fever. Yeah, that's one, because hay fever, not your actual nostrils, but inside your nostrils, it becomes swollen, and that is what causes the side effects of hay fever, for instance. So yeah, a little bit of information for you there.